Are you all excited for this fireside chat? Are you all excited for this chat? Great. So, Tanu ma'am, Mark Twain once said that there are two very important days in our life. First, the day we are born, and the second, when we find out why. So, how do we find purpose in our life?
Hello. So I think Pranjal Mark Twain was a very wise man. I may not be that wise, but I still try to decode the purpose of my life, and I particularly feel the thing that I feel passionate about. That is my purpose. If there is something which makes me get up from the bed, which makes me that yes, I have to make a contribution. So, like currently, it is teaching. So if I'm teaching, I feel more alive. If I'm interacting, I feel more alive. So I think that's the purpose of life, to maybe interact and contribute towards the society and people. But each person will have to decode their own purpose. My purpose is not your purpose. Even the purpose of your parents is not yours. Their life purpose was different, your life purpose is different. अगर फिलॉसफी के हिसाब से बताऊं तो कोई चारवाक होता है, कोई बुद्ध होता है, कोई जैन होता है, कोई वेदांत होता है. तो हर किसी का लाइफ पर्पस है, लेकिन अपनी अपनी बिलीफ सिस्टम और फिलॉसफी के हिसाब से.
Amazing. Seema ma'am, ma'am, what is success and how do we become successful in life?
The definition of success again is very personal. So it may vary from person to person. So for some, success may be loads of money. For someone else, it may be fame. For someone else, it may be family belongingness. So you have to discover how you wish to define success. And the definition of success, that is what I have experienced, it is not constant. So it keeps on evolving with life. So when you are early in your career, you may be driven more by money, the job title. And when you are older, then you may look for a sense of satisfaction, having led a very meaningful, purposeful life, and money may become secondary. Personally, for me, success is changing orbits, challenging the status quo, uh, getting out of the comfort zone, and realizing my own potential. I don't know what it will be tomorrow, but this is what it is currently. So it keeps on evolving. So I hope you find your own definition of success and be true to it. So do not deceive yourself. Do not go by what will please others. Whatever is your definition of success, optimize your life for it. If you are happy, that's what matters.
Right. So, finding our passion and finding our purpose makes us successful in our own definition. मैम इसके लिए लाइफ में बहुत टफ डिसीजंस लेने पड़ते हैं और आप डॉक्टर बनने वाले थे, फिर आप सिविल सर्विस में आए, फिर आप सिविल सर्विस से आप मेंटर बने, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में आए. आपने कैसे ये टफ डिसीजंस लिए लाइफ में और आपने कैसे जाना कि नाउ दिस इज द टाइम कि अब आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, कुछ और करना चाहिए लाइफ में?
टफ डिसीजंस तो थे, क्योंकि मुझे भी नहीं पता था. व्हेन आई वाज अ बीडीएस स्टूडेंट, मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं सिविल सर्विसेज क्लियर कर भी पाऊंगी या नहीं. क्योंकि मुझे अच्छे से याद है कि एक बार जब मैंने मम्मी को बोला कि मुझे सिविल सर्विसेज का एग्ज़ाम देना है, तो किसी को जानते ही नहीं थे जिसने सिविल सर्विसेज दिया हो. एक हमारे एक रिलेटिव थे, वो उन्होंने दिया था, वो आईआरएस ऑफिसर थे. तो पापा उनके पास ले गए, तो उन्होंने कहा बहुत मुश्किल एग्ज़ाम है, मत देना, है ना, लाइफ ख़राब हो जाएगी. मैंने कहा कि क्यों? कहते नहीं, अच्छी भली मेडिको बन रही हो. और उस वक्त मुझे एक बॉस्टन की स्कॉलरशिप मिली थी. तो ही वाज लाइक कि चुपचाप से अपनी स्कॉलरशिप लो, जाओ और सिविल सर्विसेज का एग्ज़ाम देने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। 1-2 साल लग जाते हैं, 3 साल लग जाते हैं, पता भी नहीं चलता, फिर अटेम्प्ट पे अटेम्प्ट हो जाते हैं। उन्होंने बहुत डरा दिया था। और फिर उन्होंने अंत में एक बात बोली कि अगर करना भी हो तो एक काम करेंगे ना, तुम्हारी शादी करा देंगे किसी सिविल सर्वेंट से, है ना? तो उस सारे जो पर्क्स प्रिविलेजेस हैं वो मिल ही जाएंगे। तो मुझे बड़ी बात बुरी लगी। मैंने कहा ऐसे नहीं, अगर पर्क्स एंड प्रिविलेजेस चाहिए तो अपने बलबूते पे चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं चाहिए। सो एट दैट टाइम आई रियलाइज्ड कि यस, सिविल सर्विसेज करना तो है। मैंने कहा कितना ही मुश्किल होगा। तो वो जो एक सेंस ऑफ रेबेलियन कह लो, या फिर द सेंस ऑफ करेज दैट even if nobody trusts me, I trust my hard work. If that is there, so I think you can take the decision. Similarly happened when I was quitting my civil services and entering my teaching job. So at that time also it was like people were saying it's very secure, why are you leaving it? But if I want to do it, should I just stay in something because it is more safe, because it is अगर वो safe के लिए मैं अपने आप को रोक रही हूँ, तो यानी मुझे अपने हार्डवर्क पे ट्रस्ट नहीं है, isn't it? और अगर हार्डवर्क पे ट्रस्ट है तो वो कहीं पर भी। सो दिस मीन्स इफ यू हैव यूनिवर्सल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ हार्डवर्क एंड परसिस्टेंस, देन यू विल बी सक्सेसफुल एनीवेयर। सो फिर वो करेज आ जाता है। और एक गीता में बहुत अच्छी लाइन मुझे लगती है कि वीर भोग्य वसुंधरा, मतलब इसका होता है कि ओनली द करेजियस एंजॉय द फ्रूट्स ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड।
Wow. On such an auspicious note, I am very happy to share with all of you. We have Nithin Valsan sir with us. Please, Dr. Ashima ma'am, please connect. Nithin Valsan sir, can you please hear us?
Audio is not carrying.
Nithin sir, can you hear us?
Can you hear us?
Yeah, I am here. I am here.
Yes, Nithin sir, we can see you.
can see you.
Please, I
Please,
request
I
you to
request
kindly
you to
address
kindly
sir.
address sir.
I can't see anything. What am I supposed to speak?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes, sir. Sir,
we can see
we
you
can
and we
see
can
you
hear
and we
you.
can hear you.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Very good. So
You can
address us.
address us. We can hear you.
Hello. I'm extremely sorry. I was supposed to join you, but since August 15th is coming, and it's in my area that the Prime Minister is moving, so I had some important inspections. That is why I couldn't come in, join here. I'm very happy to thank the management for giving me an opportunity to join this Augustus gathering. Pranjal, I'm supposed to have a discussion, right? Or like,
Sir, you can share your message, sir. Uh, we'll carry it in your absence now.
yeah. I wish all the best to all the students here. I just wanted to share from my experience. Life can be tough, sometimes very difficult, but you should never ever give up. From my experience, I would say like I survived cancer once, and after that I did Ironman. Ironman is a endurance sport in which you have to swim 2 kilometer, run 90 kilometer. Sorry, cycle 90 kilometer and run 21 kilometer. Uh, uh, and I wrote a book also, Cancer Man to Iron Man. And when my book was about to get published, and when I was about to come back to Delhi to join as Delhi police, I was again diagnosed with cancer. So it was two times in my life I had to uh, uh, I had to fight with cancer. So how much we plan, how much we expect everything will be fine. I just wanted to say life will make it very difficult, but we should never ever give up. This is my photo from last year. If anybody can see, so this is my photo. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this is my photo from June 2024. So it's almost just 1 year and 1 month. And again, second time also when I came, I had to undergo very difficult treatment, bone marrow transplant. But still, because of the support of the family, medical fraternity, my officers, my seniors, and all, I was able to come back. I have joined back Delhi Police. I have done. I was DCP of Outer North District. Now, last June onwards, I have joined DCP Central District, and I want all the students here to have a sense of responsibility, perseverance, and patience in life, and never to give up attitude. So that's what makes you successful, or uh, will make you achieve what you want to achieve. I think I'll be more open to questions than like giving a one-sided speech.
Sure. So we'll keep you in the loop.
Yeah. I'll be here only. Okay, bro.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Yeah.
We can keep Sir on the loop as long as he can join with us. So, as we are carrying forward our conversation, it's so good to receive a message of Nidin Sir. He's actually looking after a very big area. So, Seema ma'am, as we were talking about making tough decisions in life, ma'am, आपने भी इतना अपने life में switch किया. From IIM Bangalore to you move towards private sector, you came to Bharatiya Vidyapeeth. आपने अपनी calling को कब realize किया? This is my calling now.
I always wanted to keep on trying different things because एक ही चीज़ में अगर हम बहुत लंबे समय तक वही चीज़ करते रहते हैं तो हम उसी ऑर्बिट के अंदर घूमते रहते हैं और फिर वो थोड़ा सा मोनोटोनस हो जाता है एंड कोई चैलेंज नहीं होता. सो जैसे पहले मैंने अपना करियर स्टार्ट किया एक बहुत ही छोटे कॉलेज से उदयपुर में. उसका नाम भी किसी ने नहीं सुना होगा. So for 5 years I was a faculty. I started as lecturer. फिर मैंने सोचा कि ठीक है अभी ये टीचिंग में घुस गए अभी कोई बेटर कॉलेज में. देन आई जॉइंड माइका Mudra Institute of Communication, Ahmedabad, which was definitely a big step up from non-descript college that I was with. फिर 5 साल माइका में हो गया. Then I had my aspirations to join IIM, some IIM. I applied in IIM Ahmedabad. I did not get any response because Maika was in Ahmedabad. So IIM A was my first choice. लेकिन वहाँ से कोई response नहीं आ रहा था. Then I saw an ad of IIMB for faculty vacancies. So मैंने अप्लाई कर दिया. And I have a husband. At that time I had a husband and family. So मैंने अप्लाई कर दिया कि देखा जाएगा. And I got selected. But then it was a visiting faculty position, full time. But I was on contract for 2 years. So then again I had to decide whether I should move my kids, husband to Bangalore, and what if I am not able to convert it into a tenure track after 2 years. So it was a big risk for me. But I took the leap of faith, and in the hope that I will be able to convert into a tenure position, and we moved there. And after, I didn't have to wait, fortunately, for 2 years. 1.5 साल में my job became permanent. So then I stayed there for 15 years. But 15 years, 10 साल के बाद ही आफ्टर 10 years ओनली आई हैड दिस कीड़ा जो काटा हुआ रहता है कि अभी क्या, पूरी लाइफ तो मैं ये नहीं कर सकती. देन आई डैबल्ड इनटू 2 स्टार्टअप्स, एंड वो ई कॉमर्स अच्छे आइडियाज़ थे. एक में हमने सीड फंडिंग भी करी 1 करोड़ की. बट उसके बाद में, बिकॉज स्टार्टअप्स का आइडिया ऐसा था कि इट वाज वेरी कैश गजलिंग, ई कॉमर्स स्पेस में थे, तो इट बिकेम वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सस्टेन. सो इट बिकेम चिकन एंड एग. और फंडिंग चाहिए तो बिजनेस ग्रो करेगा. वीसी से बात हो रही है तो वीसी बोल रहे हैं पहले ग्रोथ लाओ फिर फंडिंग देंगे. तो आई हैड टू क्लोज डाउन. देन आई थॉट बस एकेडेमिया में हो गया. आई वॉन्टेड टू शिफ्ट टू कॉरपोरेट सेक्टर. 25 साल अगर आप एकेडेमिया में रह लो तो आप यूजलेस हो जाते हो. I mean, then nobody is willing to take you. So corporate sector, I wanted to shift. Why? Because I wanted to just go to the other side. And before I moved into leadership positions in academia, I wanted to see what is professional management. Because corporate sector, no, बड़े अच्छे तरह से accountability रहती है, people culture अच्छा होता है. So I wanted to experience all this. With my like whatever perseverance, I finally got a job offer. EdTech company में मैंने join किया, and GM की position पे I had to take a pay cut, but I was not optimizing for money. तो money, so trade off है. What I realized is कि life के अंदर trade off रहता है. So when you make decisions, no, any one option will not give you everything. So अगर आपका कॉरपोरेट में जाना है तो वो इतना सैलरी देने को रेडी नहीं है जितना IMB में आई यूज टू मेक विथ कॉरपोरेट ट्रेनिंग, कंसल्टिंग, एट्सेट्रा. सो आई टुक द पे कट, एंड देन दे प्रॉमिस्ड कि इन 6 months दे मे कंसिडर प्रमोशन. Then I had to really work my ass off for 6 months because I had to prove myself. They were not willing to believe that an academician can adjust in corporate sector. And then in 6 months, fortunately, by maybe luck also, I got double promotion. So I joined as GM, and then I was made director in 6 months, and I got ESOPs. But guess what? कौन सी कंपनी के ESOP मिले? Byju's. Which very quickly became zero. So I think life में ऐसे ही चलता रहता है. The calling keeps changing. So you have to be in the moment. बहुत ज़्यादा प्लान करने से कुछ नहीं होता. मेरी लाइफ में I never planned to be in teaching, but here I am.
अमेजिंग. सो मेहनत करते रहना है, मेहनत से कभी पीछे नहीं भागना. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. तनु मैम, जैसे अमेज़ॉन का एक फ्री ट्रायल होता है, नेटफ्लिक्स का एक फ्री ट्रायल होता है, ऐसी लाइफ में भी हमारी करियर चॉइस का कोई ट्रायल होना चाहिए.
ट्रायल होता है ना, थोड़ी कॉस्ट है बस उसकी, फ्री नहीं है. मतलब आई विल टेल यू, अमेज़ॉन का भी जो फ्री ट्रायल होता है वो फ्री नहीं होता, वो भी हमारा टाइम ले लेता है. बिकॉज एनीथिंग विच इज़ फ्री हैज़ एन इम्प्लिसिट कॉस्ट. सो देर आर नो फ्री लंचेज इन द वर्ल्ड, नो वेयर. आपकी कोई भी चॉइस है, कॉस्ट होगी. अगर आप रेडी हो तो आप सब ट्रायल कर सकते हो. आपने एक करके देखा, नहीं हुआ, आप अगले पे गए, नहीं हुआ, या जो भी आप ट्रायल कर सकते हो. बस आपके पास वो कॉस्ट पे करने की हिम्मत होनी चाहिए. जब लोग आपकी तरफ देख के ऐसा देखें कि इसका करियर क्या कर रही है ये, या ये क्या कर रहा है ना, अगर आप उस जो वो उनकी आंखें होती हैं या उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज होती है, अगर आप उसको इग्नोर कर सकते हो तो यू कैन एक्सप्लोर. आई थिंक दैट्स द की. मोस्टली हम लोग कुछ एक्सप्लोर इसीलिए नहीं करते बच्चे कि वो डर जाते हैं, उन्हें लगता है कि वी विल फेल. बट फेलिंग is the part of life. More you fail, more you know. Simple.
Right. So सीमा मैम, आज की डेट में देर आर सो मेनी करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज बियॉन्ड. पहले एक टाइम पे होता था कि सिर्फ या तो इंजीनियर बनना है, डॉक्टर बनना है. आज की डेट में एआई है, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग है, बिकमिंग सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर है. सो कौन कौन सी करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं जो आज का स्टूडेंट एक्सप्लोर कर सकता है, और क्या सोच के उसको अपना करियर डिसाइड करना चाहिए?
See, a high tide raises all ships. It is difficult, more difficult to create a trend, but it is easier to ride the trend. So, अभी AI का सब जगह लहर चली हुई है, डेटा एनालिटिक्स की चली हुई है, बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स की चली हुई है. So it may be a good time to actually enter these fields. And I have experienced this myself. I used to teach traditional marketing, communications, marketing. बट वो तो एवरग्रीन सब्जेक्ट्स हैं और हर कोई पढ़ा लेता है. और स्टूडेंट्स को तो लगता है कि मार्केटिंग तो वैसे भी उन्हें आती है, क्योंकि उनको खुद को ही बेचना होता है रिक्रूटर को. तो जब वो प्लेसमेंट करवा लेते हैं तो मतलब मार्केटिंग तो आती है. So at that time, when I was with IIM Bangalore, so digital marketing, this is some 12 years ago. So digital marketing बस start ही हो रहा था. So I said अभी कोई digital marketing पढ़ा नहीं रहा है, मैं इसको develop कर लेती हूँ. Then एक बार once you establish yourself in the subject, no, then you can live on it for years. बट मुझे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की ABCD भी नहीं आती थी. एंड आई हैड अ फियर बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ नेटिव एट माई एज. नो, आई वॉज नॉट बॉर्न इन स्मार्टफोन जनरेशन. सो वेदर आई विल बी एबल टू कोप अप ये इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह. आई डोंट लाइक स्पेंडिंग सो मच टाइम ऑन सोशल मीडिया. सो कैसे कोप अप होगा? सो वॉट आई डिड, simply once you determine that okay this is a white space, अभी डिमांड ज़्यादा है तो इसमें आपको एंटर करना है. नाउ वंस यू मेकअप, यू नीड टू हैव कॉन्फिडेंस इन योर सेल्फ कि यू कैन लर्न एंड यू कैन पुट इन वॉट एवर इट टेक्स. सो मैंने भी एक कोर्स में एनरोल कर लिया डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का. अभी उस समय तो कोई कोर्सेरा, यूडेमी, ये कुछ भी नहीं था. एंड देवर नो ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स. बैंगलोर में कोई डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का कोर्स मुझे मिला ही नहीं. देन आई फाउंड वन गुड कोर्स इन मुंबई. I enrolled in that course. Course was physical. So every Sunday for 6 months, I flew to Mumbai, spending my own money to learn digital marketing. अब वहाँ पे वो इंस्टीट्यूट वाले वो बोले IMB का प्रोफेसर आए, वो बेचारे टेंशन में आ रहे हैं. मैं उनको बोल रही हूँ अरे मैं तो स्टूडेंट हूँ, खाली सीखना है. वो बोल रहे हैं आपका वीडियो बनाए, इस पे डालें वेबसाइट पे. मैंने कहा कुछ मत करो, मुझे और एम्बेरस मत करो. मुझे बस सीखना है, क्लास अटेंड करनी है और जाना है. सो आई डिडंट मिस इवन वन क्लास. सो इफ यू वांट टू मेक अ करियर इन दीज फील्ड्स, you have to also dirty your hands. So what I did was, while the course was going on, मैंने अपनी वेबसाइट खोली, उसका सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन किया, सोशल मीडिया के सारे हैंडल्स खोले, कंटेंट क्रिएट किया. आई सेट अप माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड आई क्रिएटेड कंटेंट. सो लर्निंग बाय डूइंग इज़ द ओनली वे. अभी आजकल क्या है, स्टूडेंट्स को शॉर्टकट चाहिए कि टीचर की जो PPT है बस उससे पढ़ाई हो जाए, बुक नहीं, लाइब्रेरी नहीं जाना पड़े, बुक नहीं खोलनी पड़े और खुद करना नहीं है. तो ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. अगर आपको कोई चीज़ सीखनी है, हाथ गंदे करने पड़ेंगे, डिटेल में जाना पड़ेगा, बुक से पढ़ना पड़ेगा. राइट, शॉर्टकट विल नॉट वर्क.
शॉर्टकट विल नॉट वर्क. आप लोगों के एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं, आप लोगों को पढ़ना पड़ेगा. सो लास्ट क्वेश्चंस बिफोर वी मूव टू द रैपिड फायर राउंड. मैम, तनु मैम, व्हेन यू वर 6 year old, Did you know who you want to become or what you want to do in life?
No, I didn't know, but actually, I wanted to be everything from pilot to astronaut to doctor to whatever came across me. तो मुझे सब बनना था और मुझे लग रहा है कि अब शायद मैं अपने बचपन के सपने पूरे कर रही हूँ.
Right. Seema ma'am, what does a perfect life mean to you?
अ, मैंने एक एक्सेल में एक शीट बनाई थी, तो उसमें 5-6 कॉलम डाले. एक है फाइनेंशियल, सेकंड इज सोशल, थर्ड वाज स्पिरिचुअल, एंड फोर्थ वाज आई थिंक नॉलेज और इंटेलेक्चुअल, ऐसे सब. सो माय फिलोसफी इज कि ये सारे जितने भी हेडिंग्स हैं ना, उन सब में देन आई स्कोर्ड माई सेल्फ कि 10 में से कितने नंबर मिले. सो एट द एंड ऑफ माई लाइफ आई वॉन्ट टू इंश्योर अ गुड स्कोर इन ऑल द बकेट्स. सो आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू फोकस सो मच ऑन करियर कि फैमिली लाइफ नहीं रहे. I need to make enough money, but have friends also, be intellectually stimulated also, and have leisure. जितने भी business trip मैंने किए हैं, I have always combined leisure with business. So I believe in balance, striking a balance and doing a bit of everything.
Right. Amazing. So, yeah, a big round of applause here, please. Are you guys excited for a rapid fire round? All right. So, we have 60 seconds with Dr. Tanu Jain. Are you a morning person or a night owl?
So I'm a night owl, but I would want to be a morning person.
What's your 3 a.m. cheat meal?
Chips, makhana,
What is the most Googled question about you?
my husband.
यूपीएससी में बैठने के स्टाइल से सिलेक्शन होता है क्या?
Not exactly, but yes, a body language tells a lot about a person.
The most funny response you have heard in a mock interview.
एक बार मैंने एक बच्चे से पूछा था कि अगर किसी लड़की के फादर आपको गाड़ी और घर देना चाहते हैं तो आप लोगे. तो मतलब आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि दहेज लोगे या नहीं लोगे. तो ही सेड अगर खुशी से दे रहे हैं तो क्या दिक्कत है.
One word your friends used to describe you.
माई फ्रेंड्स कैन टेल बेटर.
One movie you can watch on repeat.
There are many movies. So one is The Pursuit of Happiness. There is a web series Good Place. So there are many.
One motivational quote that inspires you.
अपने मरे बिना स्वर्ग नहीं है.
And your last parting message to all of us.
Last, देखो, I will always say, trust your hard work. Learn to do that, and everything is easy after that. If you don't do hard work, if you don't do the real work, everything is difficult. So even house chores are difficult. Even partying is difficult. So work hard, have clarity. Thank you.
Now we have 60 seconds with Dr. Siva Gupta. Are you ready?
Yes.
How do you describe digital marketing in one word?
Optimizilla. It's like Godzilla. So it is monster of optimization.
Okay. Your life mantra in one line.
Resilience. So it is like a muscle. The more you challenge it, the stronger it will become.
One book that changed your life.
Homo Deus by Yuval Noah Harari. It led me into big picture thinking. So intersection of history, future, and technology. It altered some of my beliefs about dogma, religion.
Right. One quality every person must have.
Integrity.
Okay.
So reputation is what others think of you, integrity is what you think of yourself.
Morning person or a night owl?
Daylight. Not too late, not too early. Regular working hours is fine.
Your message to all of us.
Study for the life you want and not just for the exam ahead. So, whatever life you want to lead, study for that. Exam is a byproduct.
Thank you very much, Tanu ma'am. Thank you very much, Siva ma'am. Now the floor is open to our audience. If you would like to ask any question.
See, Dr. Pranjal has been, he very intelligently escaped answering all the questions by himself asking all the questions from us only. So now all the questions should be directed to him and only him.
That's the benefit of being the moderator. Do we have any questions from the audience? Okay. So if you do not have a question, I have a question for Seema ma'am from the audience. Exams में ज़्यादा marks कैसे score करने होते हैं?
ये भी अपने आप ही पूछ लेंगे हैं.
Exams में, how do we score more in exams?
ये तो बच्चों को पता है. ये सब 8-9 CGPA वाले बच्चे बैठे हैं.
All right. No, that's great. Thank you very much. I just want to say कि मेहनत करनी चाहिए लाइफ में. मेहनत करने से कभी हार मत मानो. Always कुछ सोच लो कि हाँ लाइफ में कुछ करना है, कुछ बड़ा करना है. And all of us have that potential in us. But it's only perseverance and dedication जिससे हम अपने आप को better develop कर सकते हैं. So on that note, I extend my hearty gratitude to Tanu ma'am. She is so busy and she is traveling across the country. And उन्होंने accept किया हमारे इस invitation हमारे program में आने के लिए at such a short notice. Thank you very much, ma'am.
थैंक यू. और एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती तो कैसे चलता. प्रांजल ने बुलाया था.
Thank you very much, Seema ma'am, for allowing such a wonderful session and such a wonderful program.
Thank you so much.
Thank
and thanks for taking the initiative and driving it. He's the driving force behind it. And he himself is so busy. He himself is into civil services, but he has accomplished so much. I mean, he's wearing so many hats. And while we were planning for this event, he already has 2 more ideas, and he has written so many books and so many degrees he has. Like he'll give us inferiority complex. So I have to also keep some distance from him.
No, ma'am, nothing like that. My thanks to Nitin Walson, sir. He gave us his precious time. The organizing committee, Parul, sir, thank you very much for such wonderful program. Dr. Ashima, ma'am, Dr. Bhavna, ma'am, Yashwant, sir, Megha, ma'am, thank you very much. Devendra from Studento, thank you for covering the event and being with us. Thank you, all of you, the dear participants who came here today, and I wish you all the very best. And if you have any questions, you can reach to any one of us anytime. Thank you very much and have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Yes. Questions, no?
What is a confidence according to you, and how it help in a career of our life? What is confidence according to you? All of you.
Madam, you answer.
See, confidence एक जोश है, एक जज्बा है, कुछ करने का एक जुनून है कि हाँ मुझे आज करना है. अब एग्जाम है, अब एग्जाम से हम सब डरते हैं, लेकिन बस ये सोच लेना है कि नहीं इस एग्जाम में मुझे टॉप करना है. तो वो एक कॉन्फिडेंस. अब कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे आता है? वो पैशन से आता है. पैशन कैसे आता है? पैशन डिसिप्लिन से आता है. आज अगर कोई चीज़ है कि आज अच्छा लग रहा है कि मुझे ओलंपिक्स में जाके गोल्ड मेडल लेना है, बहुत अच्छी बात है. आपने रनिंग स्टार्ट करी, आप सुबह 5 बजे गए, 1 दिन गए, 2 दिन गए, 1 हफ्ते बाद आप लगेगा कि नहीं मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. यू थिंक ऑफ समथिंग एल्स. सो व्हेन यू डेवलप डिसिप्लिन इन योर लाइफ, उससे यू गेट इनटू हैबिट ऑफ इट, उससे यू स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग कॉन्फिडेंस. और छोटी छोटी सक्सेस जब मिलती चली जाती हैं, छोटे छोटे अपने टारगेट्स आप सेट कर लो कि आज मैंने, अगर चलो आज मैंने आधा घंटा पढ़ लिया, आज मैंने 1 घंटा पढ़ लिया, आज मैंने 2 घंटा पढ़ लिया, तो उससे कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है कि अगर मैं ये कर सकता हूँ तो मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ, तो मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ. एंड देर इज नथिंग मिशन इम्पॉसिबल इन आवर लाइफ. वो हमने 8 मूवीज देख के देख लिया. सो एवरीथिंग इज अचीवेबल एंड दैट इज कॉन्फिडेंस फॉर मी.
एंड तनु मैम, आप इतने सारे इंटरव्यूज एंड मॉक्स वगैरह लेते हो, सो आप कोई भी इंडिविजुअल की पर्सनालिटी कैसे जज करते हो?
उसके जवाबों से.
ओह,
जवाब बहुत कुछ बता देते हैं.
थैंक यू मैम.
Sir, many times, question to Pranjit, sir. Many times after putting sincere efforts, if the person is not successful, right? So we say that we try again, try again. So many times it happens, a person has tried so many times. And it happens in case of the civil services exams, students keep on trying for many years for CA exams, judiciary also. So I mean, whom to blame? We are saying that person is putting his or her sincere efforts. So do you think that luck also plays the role here, or what is that?
लक इज समथिंग जिसमें हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है. आई कैन नॉट डू कि अब आगे क्या होने वाला है. आई हैव नो कंट्रोल ओवर दैट. मेरे पास जो मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव है चीज़ों को देखने का, वो ये है कि मैं किस चीज़ को कंट्रोल कर सकता हूँ. मैं अपना हार्डवर्क कर सकता हूँ. अब उससे मुझे रिजल्ट आएगा नहीं आएगा, आई आई कांट डू एनीथिंग. अगर मुझे रिजल्ट आ गया, जो चीज़ मैं लाइफ में अचीव करना चाहता हूँ, अगर वो मुझे मिल गई, इट्स गुड. नहीं मिली तो ओके, लेट्स ट्राई फॉर समथिंग एल्स. जस्ट कीप ऑन डूइंग. चलती का नाम जिंदगी.
Then ma'am, one question to you. After interacting with a person for 3-4 times or 5 times, can you judge that would this person be able to crack this civil services or not? Means, can you guess after few meetings?
It's very difficult, but yes, we can understand. When I say we, it means all of us can understand the basic characteristics of a person. So you are a teacher, sir. You already, when you see a student, you realize that this student can do hard work. They are patient. They are able to think, analyze, and able to rationally do things. So if such characteristics are there with a person, whatever they put their mind to, they will be successful. We can say, until unless the thing that you pointed, luck. If luck doesn't favor, then that's a different story. But otherwise, we expect that child to be successful. But if on the other hand you see a person जो केयरलेस है, ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहा, या जिसने एफर्ट ही नहीं देना, तो आप
Yes, definitely.
तो आप पहचान जाते हो कि इसके चांसेस हैं, इसके कम हैं. लेकिन अगर वो जो बच्चा है, वो चाहे कैसा भी रहा हो, एक दिन उसका मन बदल जाए और वो इस डायरेक्शन में आ जाए, तो वो भी सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगा.
Thank you.
First of all, hello everyone. My name is Tabana. I want to ask you that, as ma'am said, trust your hard work. So how he or she can comprehend कि hard work कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं? Sometimes giving time to what you want to do in future, एक self doubt आ जाता है कि क्या हम सही कर रहे हैं कि गलत. तो एक hard work की definition आपके लिए क्या है?
Hard work is nothing, it's just putting your 100%. मैं जो कर सकती हूँ इस गोल के लिए, वो मैं 100% करूँगी. And when I really appreciate ma'am when said that we should have a balance, and this is the balance that I also appreciate. So अभी मैं यहाँ पर हूँ तो 100% यहाँ पर हूँ. यहाँ के बाद अभी मैं कैंपस जाऊँगी अपने, वहाँ पे बच्चों को पढ़ाऊँगी तो 100% वहाँ पर हूँ. So this capability to devote yourself 100% to the things you are doing, I think that is hard work.
हेलो तनु मैम एंड हेलो प्रांजल सर. अभी आपने एक रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चन का गेम खेला दोनों के साथ, तो मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ प्रांजल सर कि व्हाट इज योर एस्केप मैकेनिज्म इन योर बिजी शेड्यूल एंड व्हाट वाज योर एस्केप मैकेनिज्म इन योर स्टडी टाइम back when you were studying for your UPSC, and what is your 3 a.m. cheat meal?
My 3 a.m. cheat meal would be something, anything sweet, जो हाथ लग जाए, जो घर में रखा हो. My escape mechanism now coming into service would be sleep. जितनी sleep मिल जाए. Before that it was music.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I just wanted to ask a question to Tanu, ma'am, that sometimes in life we see two choices in front of us: what it is to be done and what should be done. I mean, you from the civil services area, you have seen many of these choices where you had to make tough decisions. So, what was your perspective on those choices? I mean, how you decided that I should trust my instinct here or I should go with the books? I mean, the way of the book.
It is very contextual. There are some situations where going by the book helps. Because even if I may think I am thinking very rightly, but I still may have some flaws. So I should trust that these books have been there, like Constitution have been there for a long, long time. So there is a basis to it. This is one way of understanding it. But we are not machines. If governments wanted machines to implement the Constitution and laws, they would have kept,
Right.
machines, AI to robots. They have kept us there. So this means they want us to understand that book says this, but how to implement it in the spirit. So humane hona chahiye, but you don't have to go against the spirit of the law and the word of the law, both.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hello everyone. My question is to Dr. Pranjal Jain. Sir, as a civil servant, what kind of challenges you face? What is the positive side of the career? What is the negative side of the career? And if you are facing challenges, how do you keep going?
See, I have a very good answer to that. Life में हर करियर के कुछ प्रोज हैं, कुछ कॉन्स हैं. Each and everything. किसी भी करियर को ले लो, बिजनेस ले लो, स्टार्टअप ले लो, सर्विस ले लो. देयर आर 20 सर्विसेज इन यूपीएससी. कोई भी ले लो, किसी का कुछ प्लस है, किसी का कुछ माइनस है. सो द बेस्ट वे टू गो हेड इज, जो उसकी प्लस चीज़ें लगती हैं अप्रिशिएटेड, जो उसकी माइनस चीज़ें लगती हैं जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक योर वे आउट ऑफ इट. दैट्स द लाइफ मोटो विच वर्क्स. चैलेंजेस की जहाँ तक बात है, चैलेंजेस डिफर, पर्सनल चैलेंजेस कुछ डिफर रहते हैं, कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल चैलेंजेस कुछ डिफर रहते हैं. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट what you want to do in your life, what you want to achieve. Just have a vision for yourself, like after 5 years, after 10 years, what do you want to do with your life? How do you want to make your parents proud? Like, how do you want the world to see you? Just focus on that, have laser sharp focus on that, and just keep moving on that. Like Mahatma Gandhi said, that the future depends on what you do today. So whenever you all go to sleep, just think कि आज मैंने ऐसा क्या किया है जिसे I can be proud of or my parents can be proud of.
Thank you, sir. And my question to Tanu ma'am. Ma'am, it is said that in civil services, generally, aspirants keep giving their attempts until their attempts are exhausted. So for general category, there are 6 attempts. For OBC, there are 9 attempts. So what do you think, like, is it necessary to have a plan B? And if someone chooses to have plan B, like someone goes into academics, like they pursue their studies, someone going to take up job, how to balance studies and that plan B thing together? How to manage time, how to have a routine, and how to balance both the things so that one gets successful. If someone has a dream to be civil servant, so that is the priority. But at the same time, if someone is also trying to manage the plan B thing, then it gets tougher. And maybe someday if someone is not successful, then that guilt will be there, ki because of this I lost this. So how do you manage that?
So the whole idea of Tathastu was this only, to have graduation plus UPSC preparation so that the 3 years are not wasted. They are utilized for graduation as well as UPSC preparation, or after graduation, MBA plus UPSC preparation. The idea is what? Even so we have students from different IITs who are studying their BTech and studying with Tathastu for UPSC. Because all of you are graduation or post-graduation students, tell me how many days before the exam do you start studying?
For graduation, obviously, like 1 week or max to max 2-3 days before the prior to the exam.
2-3 days. Let's take 1 week. Let's take 15 days. 15 दिन से ज़्यादा कोई पढ़ता है? नहीं? This means a lot of time is there for you to prepare for a competitive exam. You just have to be clear in your mind that this is I also want to pursue with my graduation or post-graduation. And once you have it, you will find time. We all have a lot of time for the things we want to do. So this is one. Second, because you are doing two things at the same time, you can't compare yourself with other people who are doing only one. Because you are saving. Else people would have done graduation, then 2 years of studies in an institute, and then they would have given their first attempt. So if you are saving all this and doing it with your graduation or post-graduation, this means that you will have less time for maybe fun, frolic, mobile phone. So if you can have that understanding in your mind, then it's easy, because if you save time, these are the golden, ages, golden years of your life. The more you achieve in this, the less you have to struggle later. So I think, and it's easily manageable. I told you we have kids from across the colleges who are our students, and they are pursuing their degree and they are doing it. Even jobs. So last year, rank 2, Animesh Pradhan, he was also working and he got rank 2. Similarly, there are n number of people who are working. With me, there is a CAPF officer who is working posted, proper, in a difficult terrain, but studying, and he's doing really good. So no problem, little hard work.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a question that you say that there is no alternative for hard work or something like that. So, ma'am, sometimes we do a lot of hard work, we put a lot of effort in something, but we feel like we are stuck at the same place. We are not progressing, or we are not winning in that. So, how can we just keep ourselves going at that time?
I'll tell you, the truth is that people glorify success and the journey of it, but truth is that you have to do tiring, boring, irritating, monotonous, repetitive job again and again with lot of patience, and then one day you get successful. So you will have to keep that patience.
With the
Good
last
morning.
question for the day.
Okay, just one last question. As a parent, I feel that in India, students do not have 100% autonomy in choosing their career. And parents do have a significant or insignificant role in, driving them towards a certain path. So how would you suggest students, to counter or maybe handle that kind of a pressure? Anyone, please, anyone. Or all of you.
So parents do pressurize, but firstly I will address the parent side. Most of the time their own dreams are unfulfilled and they want to fulfill it through kids. And now I think that is wrong, because you have your life, they have their life. So when some parents come to us, which I see are more passionate about civil services than the kid itself, then I become very attentive that here there might be something implicit or explicit pressure from the parent. So I try to probe the kid more. Because ultimately the life of career has to be lived by the child. And I think kids should also be more courageous in saying that they don't like it. No. So we can always say no very courteously. Because if they don't want to take a career, they can always explain, discuss with parents, and tell them, Mama, Papa, I don't want to do this. My heart lies in this. So that free communication is necessary. Rather than having a very difficult life later on, it's okay even if you get 2-3 slaps. It's an easy deal. That's the most that a parent can do. So I think both have to, so parents have to be more mindful, kids have to be more courageous.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, this side. Ma'am, I'm having mains this year. It's starting from 22nd. So my question is both from you that nowadays means जो होना चाहिए ना डर या मतलब जो वो होना चाहिए कि I'm not working with that pace इससे पहले जो मैं कर रहा था मतलब ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है मतलब I'm not hard मतलब मुझे लग रहा है कि वो नहीं आ रहा है efficiency जो पहले थी इससे पहले तो ऐसा क्यों मैम
आपके अटेम्प्ट कितने हो गए
सर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट अभी
फिर तो जील होनी चाहिए
नो सर आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दैट मतलब लेकिन जैसे था कि
आरंट यू एक्साइटेड आप यूपीएससी का मेंस देने जा रहे हो
यस यस सर अब वेरी
फिर
मच
जील तो अपने अंदर से आ रही चाहिए ना इट्स अ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी सबको नहीं मिलती 10 लाख लोग 12 लाख लोग प्रीलिम्स का फॉर्म देते हैं उसमें से 12,000 सिलेक्शन होता है मेंस के लिए सिर्फ यू आर वन ऑफ देम यू आर द लकी वन डोंट लेट इट गो
थैंक यू सर थैंक यू
Thank you to our distinguished guests, Tanu ma'am, Nidhin sir, Pranjal sir, Devinder sir, Seema ma'am, for your time and inspiring words for motivating the youth on life and career. We thank you.
देश विदेश की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों से अपडेट रहने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर दबाएं ताकि सभी खबरों से आप और आपके जानने वाले रह सके अपडेट।